Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Gan 11m Pro. I have been waiting on this cube for a long time now, so let's get right into it. Oh my god. That was so satisfying. And now for the moment of truth. Bruh. Let's do that again. There we go! The Gan 11m Pro. That looks so good. Cube station card? Whoever buys a Gan cube and still needs to learn the cube. We got the accessories here. Let's first take a look inside. How do you open this? Finally. Alright. Here we have the... Oh my god, another algorithm pamphlet. Whoa, another cube bag. I have like 50 of these already. A tiny adjustment tool. That's for the magnets. And of course, we have the center magnets. On the Gan 11m Pro and also the 12 Maglev, I think, they have these center magnets which can be adjusted. I'll talk more about that later. We also have the springs and the tension system. Put that aside. And of course, we have the whole guide. I'm not making that, if you can read Chinese joke again. That looks very complicated, so I'm going to walk you through all of this. So now, let's actually get into the actual cube. As we can see, we have the very iconic Gan 11m Pro cube box, and we will just press these buttons and there it is, Gan 11 Pro. This box is actually so fun. Yo, this cube actually looks so insane. Also, I got the UV coated version, which is way more better than the XS. You see the primary internals? That actually looks so good. And also, you can see the reflection of the UV coats. Let's do some first turns. Right out of the box, this feels so fast, and also it feels a bit crispy, but I'm sure that will be solved with the lubes after putting that in. Let's pop out the center cap and see what's inside. So here is the adjustment system, similar to the Gan 356 XS. We can look at that here. So there are 6 different settings that you can have. On the light blue GES nuts, it has the settings 1 and 3. And on the dark blue GES nuts, it has the settings 2 and 4. I'm pretty sure this one is set to 1 right now, which 1 being the tightest, if you can see right there. So maybe let's change that to 3 and see what happens. Gan definitely improved their center caps, so we can push that in. And we can rotate it to 3. Alright, there it is. To be honest, for me, I think this is a bit too loose. So I think I'm going to settle with 2. And as with a lot of Gan cubes, these cubes have a lot of potential in customizing and also a lot of potential in different settings. And now let's test the corner cutting of this cube. 45, no problem. Oh. 45, bit more than 50, 45. That's gonna be a lot. Yeah, that just catches right there. And then if you just go a tiny bit more, it just reverse corner cuts. And this cube is actually really good at corner cutting, in my opinion. Now let's switch all of the GES nuts to setting 2 and we'll explore more about the center. And the last one, and there we go. All of the sides has been set on the setting 2. By the way, 1 is the tightest and 4 is the loosest. So as the numbers get bigger, you have more corner cutting, but it will pop more often. So I think this is a very good adjustment system, which can suit the needs of all of the different types of cubers. And now we can adjust the tension of this cube. So now we have the GES Pro tension nut. 1 is the minimum tension, which means the loosest. And then 6 will be the sort of the tensest. So each turn counterclockwise, which is this way, increases the tension by 1 grade. So let's try that. Let's first set everything to tension 1. That's on 1. There we go. So now the settings are all on 1, which is the loosest. So now let's try all the different settings. For example, I'll first go to setting 3 and see how loose and how tense that is. So this is setting 1. So I'll go counterclockwise. 1, 2. That's setting 3. 1, 2. That's 2. That's 2. That's 2. And that's 2. I actually really like the feel of this cube right now. Let's try and move it to 6 and see how tight it will be. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. And 4, 5, 6. Honestly, nobody will use this cube this tight, so I think I will just move it back to 2 or 3. And there we go. Now we can pop all of the center caps back on and look at the magnet system. And now for the last thing, let's explore the core magnets. So we can pull one piece out. And look at that. The Gan 11m Pro has core magnets, which allows the corner piece to stick onto the core magnet over there. That means this will have a better feel and also a better control. So as you can see, this magnet piece can also be changed. This is a triangular shaped magnet piece. And as we can see right here, there are the triangle rod and also the hex rod. It didn't specify which one is stronger or weaker, so let me just try it. So after you twist the piece, it will come out. And let's see. That is pretty strong. As you can see, the hexagon one is way stronger. So let me just try all of the hexagon ones onto the cores by inserting like this and twisting it clockwise. Now it is stuck and it will not fall out. You know, sometimes these just get stuck, so you actually have to use something like this to pop it out. And here is the last one. Put that in, turn, and there we go. We have now finished putting in all the magnets of all of these pieces. And now we can just reassemble the cube. Let's start the time lapse again. And here are the last couple of pieces. And then the last edge. You can just fit that in. And there we go. Here is the finished cube. I actually really love this setting because basically if you don't turn that much, it will also turn for you. For example, look, I turned this much and it will just snap there really easily. So this is actually a really nice feature by Gan, and I really love this. And that's pretty much it for the Gan 11m Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also comment below any more videos ideas that you may have. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!